Understanding, thanks a ton, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase that you might have heard or want to use in daily conversation. Thanks a ton. It's a simple yet expressive way to show gratitude, and we'll explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about it. So, let's get started and learn something new together. Thanks a ton is an informal way of saying, thank you very much. The word, ton, here doesn't literally refer to weight. Instead, it's an exaggeration that emphasizes a huge amount of gratitude. This phrase is a part of colloquial language and is often used in casual conversations to show deep appreciation. You can use thanks a ton in various situations where you want to express sincere thanks. Whether someone has done you a big favor, given you a gift, or gone out of their way to assist you, this phrase is perfect. It's friendly and enthusiastic, making it suitable for both spoken and written contexts, like in emails or messages to friends. While thanks a ton is a great phrase, there are many other expressions to convey thanks. For instance, thanks a bunch, thanks a million, or simply, thank you so much, are all vibrant alternatives. The beauty of the English language is in its variety, so feel free to use whichever expression feels most natural to you. It's interesting to note that expressions of gratitude can vary significantly across different cultures. Thanks a ton may be common in American or British English, but other English-speaking cultures might have their own unique ways of saying thanks. Being aware of such differences can be incredibly useful, especially in intercultural communication. And that wraps up our exploration of thanks a ton. I hope this video has shed some light on this cheerful phrase and you feel confident using it in your daily English conversations. Remember, expressing gratitude is a powerful way to connect with others, so don't hesitate to say, thanks a ton, when the moment calls for it. Until next time, keep practicing, and thank you for watching.